What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Stephiie. Today I'm going to do another tutorial video. So I'm going to show you how to crochet a granny square. I'm not the best crocheter out there. I'm just also a very new beginner, not really new because it's been years since I've been crocheting, but when it comes to teaching how people to crochet stuff, I'm very new at that. So if you have any question or you don't understand anything, comment down below and I will try my best to answer them. And with that out of the way, let's get started with this video. Okay guys, so for this granny square I'm going to only do one color, and that's going to be with the cream color. So the yarn that I'm using is Knitting Essential Decay yarn, and it's for a 4mm hook that you can use if recommend, but I'm going to use a 4.5mm hook because that's my preferable size I like to use. So it's up to you if you want to use a 4mm or a 4.5mm hook. You will need your yarn because again I'm only showing you guys how to do a one color granny square, and on my next video I'll show you how to do a 2-color granny square, but for now we'll only focus on that. So you will need your yarn, your hook, a pair of scissors, a sewing needle. Let's get started. So with this one, let's stick the yarn on the inside. Okay, so there's different way people tend to start the project. You can start with a magic ring, which is the one I'm going to start with, or you can do a chain 4 and then chain on the last one, which is also how people start, but I will start with a magic ring because it's easier for me to manage the loop. So you want to do a magic circle. My magic circle is different than how people do their magic circle. Everyone have a different style of doing it. Some people will start by doing this and crossing over to do the magic circle, which is doable. I tend to do a little bit different. Freestyle, it depends what I feel like it. So you want to do a magic circle. After doing a magic circle, you want to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So that'll be your double crochet, your first double crochet, and in the same one you want to chain another one double crochet through the loop. That's your single double crochet. You want to chain again a double crochet, so you want to do under the yarn, go underneath over the yarn, take 1, 2, that's single crochet, and then yarn over 1, 2, that's double crochet. So after doing that you want to chain 2, 1, 2, and then you want to go back into your magic ring and do 3 more double crochet. So 1, 2, 3, chain 2 again, 1, 2, and then you want to go back again and do another one, 3 double crochet. Three. So now you done 3 double crochet. You want to chain again, 1, 2. You want to have a cluster of 4 of 3 double crochet. So this is 1 cluster, 2, 3. You need to do another one, 3, so that would be 4 in total. So 3 more double crochet in the same one. So 1, after you did your last one, you want to pull on your end to close the circle so that the hole in the middle will become small. That's why I like to do my one loosely, because I get to manage how tight I want my circle in the middle. If I want it big or small, it's up to me, but I want it very tight, so that's how you look like that. So after doing that, I chained 1 2, and then I go at the top of my second double crochet, and I want to do a snip stitch to connect both. So now that it's connected, I'm going to do a snip stitch on my next one again, so that I can go to this one, this hole, and undo snip stitch in that hole. So now that I've reached this side of the row, I'm going to chain 3. That'll be my first double crochet, and I'm going to do 2 more double crochet in this hole, 2, 3. After doing 3, I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to do another 3 in this hole. Okay, so now that you see how it looks, so the first row was a cluster of 3 but 4 of them. The second row is going to be a 2 in one of the hole, 4 hole. I'm going to do 2 cluster of 3 in one of the hole. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, but you don't need to chain 3 when you want to go to the next hole. You just go straight to a double crochet on your second hole, like that. So you want to do 3 double crochet, chain 2, and then 3 more double crochet in the same hole. After doing your 3 double crochet, you don't chain again, you go straight to doing your double crochet in the next hole. So you want to do 3 double crochet in the next hole, and then chain 2, and then do again 3 double crochet. So you want to repeat that again. So you don't chain 2 double crochet, you don't do that, you go straight into your double crochet on your next hole. So you want to do a double crochet, 2 more double crochet, and then chain 2, and then in the same hole 3 more double crochet. Okay, so now that you finish your 3 more double crochet, you don't need to chain. You want to connect to the top of your second double crochet with a snip stitch. So you go through the connect, that's connected. So that's how your granny square are coming together. After that, you want to go to your 3rd double crochet at the top to connect with a snip stitch, because you want to move to the first hole. And then on your first hole here, you go through it again. This hole here, you go through it, you do a snip stitch, and then you're going to chain 3, and in that same hole you want to do another cluster of 3 double crochet, the same as you done on your second row. So 3 double crochet, chain 2, and 3 double crochet in the same hole. Alright, so because the 3rd row we have 1 more hole here between this one into the end hole here, so you want to do 3 double crochet in that hole. You don't chain 2 to do it. Every time you move to a different hole, you don't do any chain, you go straight into a double crochet. So double crochet in that hole. So you want to put 3 double crochet in there, you don't need to chain 2 and add another one, no, because this is the middle between the end row. You can only do the 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet in the same hole only at the end of each hole. So the middle one, you can only do 1 cluster of 3 double crochet. So we don't have 3 double crochet, we're going to the end hole, we don't do any chain, we go straight into a double crochet. So 1, 2, 1 more, and then because this is the corner hole, so you want to do 2 double crochet and then 3 more double crochet inside the same hole. After doing the 3 double crochet, we are going to the next hole, which is the middle one. You don't need to chain, you do straight into a 3 double crochet. After the 3 double crochet, you're going to a corner hole, so you don't need to chain, you go straight into a double crochet. After doing your 3 double crochet, because it's a corner, you need to chain 2, and in the same one you do a 3 double crochet. So that's how he would look. So corner hole, you do 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet, move to the next one. You don't need to do any chain in between, you go straight into a double crochet 3 times. You don't need to chain, and you go to a corner hole, you put 3 double crochet, chain 2, in the same hole you put another 3 double crochet. You don't need to chain, you go straight into a double crochet. After finish your 3 double crochet, you're going to a corner hole, you don't need to chain, you go straight into a double crochet. Third, after that, because it's a corner hole, you're going to do chain 2, in the same hole you're going to put another a cluster of 3 double crochet. After finishing that, you're going to the next hole, you want to go straight into a cluster of 3 double crochet. Alright, so now that you finish, you want to connect those two. So again, on your second chain at the top, you want to do a snip stitch to connect both work, and that's how your granny square come together. So your measuring is here. You do your 4 clusters of 3 double crochet at the beginning in the magic ring. The second row you do that in the corner with double crochet, chain 2 in between. Your third row you do a cluster of 3 double crochet in the middle, and at the corner you do a cluster of 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. This is your corner. That's how it is, and that's how you go. You can increase this, you can do more layers. So this is 1, 2, 3. You can do 4 or 5 depending on how big you want your size of your granny square to be. This is another type of granny square which you can change colors, which I will show you on my next video, but you can see that it's the same way but it's different colors. So this is your magic ring. This is your first row of the 4 corner that you do with a 3 double crochet in the cluster. Your next row, this is your corner, this is your corner, and the middle one, corner, middle, corner. So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you can do more than that depending how big you want your granny square to be. But the average size that most people do is a 5 row granny square. So guys, that's the end of this granny square tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any question about what I said or anything relating to this tutorial, you can comment down below and I will do my best to answer them. And if I say something you didn't understand, let me know as well in the comment and I will reply to you guys. So this is the end of this tutorial. On my next video, I will show you how to crochet with 2-color granny square, but it will be a hot version. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.